Scott here with Canadian Bacon, and today we're in the Great White North. We're going to be making ice cream with 2 ingredients and snow. Yummy! And there's the boys, Luca and Ashton. Manitoulin Island, Canada, Ontario, on Lake Huron. Here we are, December 30th, and we're going to be making ice cream from snow and 2 ingredients. This is our family property. There's the girls. Hi! Don't let us float away now. We're literally, whoa! Oh, get off, get off. Go, get off, get off, get off. Jump off. Ashton, grab him. Whoa!
You guys are sticky.
Okay. Tulin! Kelly! Come on, Tools! Come on, Kelly! Come on, Kelly!
Dad!
Yep.
You just get the snow in my face and freeze it off.
Okay. We'll go get the snow now.
When you feel it right, pick it up. When you feeling like you got the power, oh no. You get building up a throne of broken, oh yeah. You get building it, but it is got to make.
Just came back from our adventure. It was pretty windy out there, and there's not a lot of snow. But to make this stuff, it's really simple, and it is very good. It tastes like French vanilla ice cream, and you just use condensed sweetened milk and vanilla extract, and of course, some snow. Luca, why don't you get the condensed milk in there? Pour that in all the way around, and we'll. All right, pour it, all of it, dump it. There you go. And now put a few squirts of vanilla extract. Okay, that's good. That's all right. We'll be vanilla-y. Ashton, give that a stir. Now our ice cream is made, and we're gonna have a rolling video here and let these boys taste this.
This one.
All right, Luca. Give that a shot. You tell me if that tastes like ice cream. Go for it. Is it? You give it a shot, Ashton. Luke is such a jokester.